All right, so 9.4 is looking at everything else we have to journalize, and these things will go in our general journal, which means in general that they are going to be 2 lines. So the first thing we're looking at is purchases returned, and so this is a credit allowed for the purchase price of returned merchandise that then decreases the customer's accounts payable. So they bought something and ended up not needing it, or for whatever reason, they are returning it and we're giving them that price back as a refund. Then a second type of entry we might have would be considered purchases allowance. And this is a credit allowed for part of the purchase price that is not returned, resulting in a decrease in the customer's accounts payable again. So maybe just they have something and then it was damaged, not by them, but something that happened, in the process of them getting it or on delivery. So you're just going to return them a partial amount of money, so they will now owe you less. So our account for that will be purchases, returns, and allowances. It decreases on the debit. Increase and normal balance should be over here on our credit side. And so just like we had a contra account the other day, purchase, returns, and allowances, it's also a contra account, and it's a contra account to purchases. So that is it for notes. You can go and watch the 9.4 work together video and do that. Do the on your own, as well as, I don't think there's anything in Schoology for 9.4, but double check that. And then remember, all of the work together and on your owns will be due by tomorrow.